And just by setting this evil method up, I was able to make over $900 in these past couple of weeks on complete autopilot without having to do a single thing. And as you can see right here, just today, this method made me over $60, literally without having to do anything. Now all you need to do to get these same results is just literally go to what's going on, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make over $900 on complete autopilot just by setting up this evil method. I'm going to show you the entire process from the beginning to end, how you can set this exact method up that I use myself to make over $900 in the past week just for setting it up and completely forgetting about it. Now this method is going to be so evil that it's going to work very well for anybody. It literally works everywhere in the world as long as you have an access to a couple of websites and you get to watch this video from beginning to end. You will know exactly how to set this up and start making money with this yourself too. But before we get into all of that, I would like to ask you to smash the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and also to stay tuned for more money making content. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. And by the way, guys, make sure to stay tuned for more videos because I've got a huge announcement coming very soon. I have prepared something special for you all and I'm going to announce it very soon in one of my videos, so just make sure to keep watching, stay tuned for more videos. And now just let's move to the method. Okay, so first of all, go to Google and you want to search for this website right here. Type in CpaGrip and hit search on that, and if you've obviously been watching my videos, you may know this website right here. That's called CpaGrip.com. Just go to CpaGrip, and obviously as a complete beginner who never done any CPA marketing before, you may want to grab your free account, and pretty much all you need to do is just go to this register form, fill in all your personal details, and one of the catches that you may find yourself facing is in this publisher type, you need to select website/instant or GPT. This will ensure your account will get approved instantly and you get to make money with this method right away. Pretty much then just finish this registration process and click on register now and you will get your free account. Obviously, if you've been using CpaGrip before and you've been watching some of my videos, you may already know this website. Just log into it right away. Then pretty much what you want to do is just go to this offer tools, click on my offers, and now you will see all the offers, CPA offers that you can promote and make some money with. Now for those of you who are new to CPA marketing, what this practically is, you will be promoting some of these offers that do not require any sales in order for you to make some money. For example, if you're going to check out the $750 PayPal gift card, it's going to look something like this, and pretty much what you need to do to get paid $2.05 for each of these completions is to promote this offer and make somebody register for this $700 PayPal gift card. They will just apply using their email address and you will get paid for that. Pretty easy, but sometimes these offers are tricky to promote. But with this method, this evil method that I'm going to show you in today's video, you will have literally zero problems getting this done. Now also you need to make sure that you're choosing a right offer, because for example this one is only allowed in the United States, so if you want to do this for other countries as well, you need to select a proper offer. All you need to do for that is just go to this section and you need to select a country in which you want to do this. But pretty much in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this for US offers, so just make sure to select United States and you want to filter this by payout. Just click on payout until you see the highest paying offers at the top, something like this, and you can see you can get paid $3.42 for some of these, but we are not going to be using any of these in today's video because with the method I'm going to show you how to get traffic to your CPA offer. One of the best offers to go for is this one right here. I'm using it myself and I used a couple of different methods to promote the CPA offer and I had pretty good results with it. And as you can see right here, this offer is currently outperforming every other of these offers that you can find on this site. So pretty much what you want to do is just click on it and it's going to look something like this. You can see this is some promotion for a chance to win $10,000 if only somebody is going to sign up using their email address. Now one of the reasons why this offer is so hugely popular and successful is because just by submitting your email address to some website, you will enter a chance to win $10,000. So it's literally like gambling for free because the email address doesn't cost a single cent to set up, and if you're going to win, you can get $10,000. That's one of the reasons why I want you to go for this exact offer, because I want to give you the best possible chance to make money with this method. And as you can see, you can make $2.06 for this one. It's not the highest paying CPA offer on here, but the conversions are going to be huge on this. So pretty much what you want to do is just get this CPA link, just copy it, and if you want you can keep CpaGrip open, or you can just paste it into a notepad or somewhere where you will be able to access it later. Once you do that, you need the most amount of relevant traffic to come into this CPA link, and for that that, I want you to go to this site right here. It's called rit.ly, shortly Ritly. Just go to Google and type there Ritly and hit search, and once you're going to come to this website, pretty much I'm going to show you the entire process step by step. I'm going to set up a brand new account to show you how this works and to prove to you that this is actually working. So pretty much what you want to do is just click on start a free trial. You need to input your email address if you're going to sign up using that. You can either use that or any of your social media accounts that you can see down here, but let's just go with the email address for this one. I'm just going to type it in there, click on continue, then pretty much just go to your email, and what you want to do is maybe it's going to be sent to one of these promotion tabs, or it's going to be in the spam, but you will receive an email that's going to be like something like this. It's going to send you an authorization code, and pretty much all you need to do is just copy, go back to Ritly, paste it in there, click on login, and you get your 7-day free trial, and you don't even have to put credit card information in there. If you do this for 7 days for free, you can make some money with it and then reinvest it into Ritly and continue doing this, or you can just stop doing this method. You already make some money and go and enjoy them. Pretty much click on I'm ready to start the free trial. Then pretty much what you want to do is go to this section, click on create a new ad, and now you're going to create an ad that you can embed on any website out there, and after you're going to drive traffic to it, it's going to be shown to people with the CPA offer. So pretty much what you want to do is just name it something, for example, like enter for $10,000 giveaway or something like that. And then if you want, you can choose your custom domain. Now out of these two, I prefer this one because ly is a bit more appealing than link. So I'm just going to go with that. Then just click on add, and what you want to do here is pretty much just select this evil pop-up ad right here. This is one of those ads that will not be in there in the first place, but it's going to jump out after a couple of seconds, and it's going to be that much more appealing. So what you want to do is just customize this window right here a little bit. For that, all you need to do is just go to this section and change these fields. For example, I'm going to change this email into something like you have been chosen for this $10,000 giveaway, and it's going to look something like this once you see it in the window. Then pretty much all you need to do is just change these elements around it, and for that, for this profile URL, there you want to paste your CPA link, the link to your CPA offer. So just go ahead and copy that, paste it into this field. Then for the profile picture, this image right here, you need to select something other than it's already there. For that, I highly recommend that you go to this website right here that's called flaticon.com. Just go there, and into the search bar you want to write something like prize or something that has to do with giveaway, and then just choose one of these icons that represents giveaway or prize or something like that. I decided to go with this gift right here, so I'm just going to open it and download it as a PNG. Then just go back to Ritly, click on upload. It's going to get uploaded as this icon next to this text. Then pretty much just customize the rest of it. For example, in the description you want to write something like click the button below to enter $10,000 giveaway. Then pretty much if you want, you can use sound that will play along with this ad once it's going to pop up. And I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm just going to use the sound, and I'm going to use this alert sound that's going to play once this ad is going to pop up. I don't know if you heard it, but it's there, and it will be there once you're going to set it up. And pretty much for this text button text, you want to write in there something like click here to enter, and for this button link you want to paste your CPA link again. Just copy it once again, paste it in there, and pretty much for this logo you can keep it in there. It's just going to be this small logo at the bottom that's going to say it's powered by Ritly, and it's going to look at the end something like this. And once people are going to click this button, they will be taken to the CPA offer that you have chosen. They will input their email address in there, and you will get paid $2.06 for each of these emails. Now before you click the done button right here, you need to select how many seconds after visiting the website the ad will pop up. So I'm just going to go with something like 8-second delay. Once somebody is going to come to a website, after 8 seconds, this beautiful ad that we have created for free will jump on them, and they will be enticed to enter this $10,000 giveaway. Pretty much once you do that, just click on done, and it's finished. Now we need to find a website that you can embed this ad into, and then you can drive traffic to it using that. Now pretty much for that, just go to Google and you want to search for something like how to save money 2023 blog. Just hit search on that, and you want to select some of these websites. Now keep in mind, it's not going to work exactly on every website out there. What you need to do is just go through some of these websites and find one that it's going to work on. So after a couple of scrolling, I was able to find this website right here. All you need to do is just go ahead and try some of these websites. For example, this one has worked for me. It is a pretty decent looking website with the 10 tips how to save money in 2023. So all I'm going to do is just copy the link to this site, go back to Ritly, paste it in the destination URL and choose to embed with my advertisement and click on create a link. Once this link is going to get created, I'm just going to click on it and it will take me to the site. But now after a couple of seconds, this ad is going to jump out on me just like this. You can see it's right there, the advertisement has jumped on me even though I do not own this website. And once this is going to happen, people will want to enter the $10,000 giveaway. They will click on this button right here. They will be taken to the CPA offer. And obviously, because I don't live in the US currently, I didn't get this advertisement that's available in the US only. CpaGrip has chosen this other CPA offer that's available in my country. So pretty much this is how it's going to work. All you need to do now is just copy this link and get it to as many people as possible. And some of the best source of traffic for this is, if you're going to go, for example, to, all you need to do here is just go to the search bar and you want to look for something like how to save money in 2023, and you want to go into some of these groups. Now you're not going to be doing any selling, you're not going to be doing any advertising. Pretty much all you are going to be doing is just promoting an article that's going to help people save money in 2023. So pretty much what you want to do is create a post that's going to be something like this. Hey, I have found this article. It's just 10 tips on how to save money in 2023. Hope it helps somebody out there reading it. Then pretty much just paste your Readly link and then just click on post and post it to as many of these groups as possible. Another good source of traffic you can use for this link is if you're going to go to Google and going to search for how to save money in 2023 forum, you can find multiple forums that are dealing with this exact issue. Just go to some of these forums. For example, one of the best I've been using is this one right here that's called beermoney.co. All you need to do here, just go through some of these sections, find one that says saving money in 2023 or something to do with saving money, and post the same link in there as well. Then just pretty much do this as for many forums and social platforms as possible, and people will start coming to your Readly site. Through the button, they will be taken to your CPA offer, and for every time somebody applies for a chance to win $10,000, you will be paid $2.06. And at the end of the week, this can add up to a pretty nice payout. So just go ahead, set this up yourself, make some money with it, and after you return to this video and down in the comments, do let me know how much money you have made using this. Now I'd like to remind you that I'm planning something big for you guys, and I'm going to announce it in one of my next videos, so just stay tuned for more videos by clicking the subscribe button. Other than that, if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.